Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, thanks so much for stopping back by. So first things first, I'm just going to prime my face. I'm using the LA Girl primer. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyelids using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Tan. And I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender or my beauty sponge. So now I'm just gonna go in with my eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with a very light brown shade just as my transition shade. And now I'm just going to go in with a very light pink shade, and I'm just going to blend that in with the brown that I started with. And now I'm just going to go in with another shade of pink, and I'm also just going to blend that in. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a darker pink on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I just decided that I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer on my eyelids. And now I'm just going to put some mascara onto my lashes. And now I have used my Rimmel London foundation, and I'm just going to use a brush to apply my foundation, and then I'll just go in with a beauty blender just to make sure that everything is flawless. Now as you can see, I'm going in with my beauty blender just to get rid of those harsh lines or harsh marks left by the foundation brush. Now I'm just going to highlight my face using my LA Girl Pro Conceal again. I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And now I'm just going to let my concealer set just so it can have that full coverage effect. And then now I'm just going to go in with my contouring stick from the Colors Limited makeup brand, and I'm just going to sculpt my face so we look snatched. So now I'm just going to start blending in my contour because I'm still letting my concealer, my highlighting concealer, set for a little longer. So I'm starting off with my contour and I'm just gonna blend that in with my beauty sponge. So at this point I was sick and tired of blending that contour in, so I am going to blend in my highlighting concealer. I'm just going to blend that in properly, and then I'm going to go back in and blend that contour concealer properly again. So now I'm just going to blend that contour in again, just making sure that it looks flawless and that there are no harsh lines, so to say. So now I'm just going to apply my setting powder. I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes and everywhere that I've highlighted basically, as well as cutting my contour. Now I'm just gonna dust off that setting powder. I didn't bake. I don't really like baking, so I just set my face and remove the powder. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my blush, and I'm literally just gonna do the bare minimum with it. And now I'm going to go in with one of my favorite highlighters. It's the Scarlet Hill Contour and Glow palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Glowcano, and I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face. The very same highlighting shade, I'm just going to put that into the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with that very same pink shade I used on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line. And now I am going to apply my white eyeliner pencil from Essence on my lower lash line, and just to make my eyes pop a bit. My apologies for not being in frame, but I was just applying some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm so sorry that you guys couldn't see that properly. And now I'm back with my lashes on. By the way, I get all my lashes from AliExpress, if you were ever wondering. And I'm just gonna go in with my Ali Girl lipstick, and I'm just going to outline my lips with that. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Essence matte liquid lipstick. And then last but not least, I'm just going to go in with my setting spray. And then if you've made it this far, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.